Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English Pleasures with Shasta. I am Shasta, so without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, I got a lot of DMs on Instagram that ma'am, please suggest us the book. We wanted to enhance our skills. So my dear, if you wanted to enhance your English, you have to start with the basics, or I can say from the zero level. So my dear friends, here are the books which I personally adore the most, and here I am not promoting any seller. यहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ आपको उन्हीं बुक्स के बारे में बता रही हूँ जो मैंने पर्सनली यूज़ की, और मैं आपको बता देती हूँ आई हैव स्टार्टेड लर्निंग इंग्लिश फ्रॉम फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड से मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, और मैंने जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ इन्हीं बुक से स्टार्ट किया. I am telling you about these books from my experience and what I have experienced. So I will suggest you to buy it. So this is the first book that I have been reading from the fourth standard, and this is HG's English Grammar for all classes and competitions. It is from the HG publication. As you can see the contents of this book, and you will find something interesting part of this book is that it has given each and everything from the basics that you can see in the first chapter, introduction to English language, alphabets, Roman alphabets, pronunciation of vowels, etc. So it has given each and everything from very basic. So if anyone want to start with the basics and you are not properly aware of the basics, so you can buy this. And it's the second book. If you are preparing for exams or some sort of competitive exam, then you should go with this Wren and Martin edition of English Grammar, High School English Grammar and Composition by Wren and Martin. This book, Wren and Martin, is especially for those who are very well aware of the rules of grammar and have read each and every topic thoroughly. But if you are the one who want to start with the zero level, then you should go with the first book that I have suggested, that is HG's English Grammar and Composition. So let's see the contents of this book. So here are the contents of this book. Book 1, Grammar. Book 2, Composition, and then further divided into part 2, correct usage, part 3, structures, part 4, written composition, and that's it. So it's very helpful for those who are fully aware of the basics. So it's all about books. So I am telling you, or I am suggesting you these books with my own personal experience. I am not promoting any brand or seller. So if you are interested, then you should buy. So it's all about today's video. In the next video, I will share with you some beautifully composed storybooks and novels. That novels and storybook will help you to enhance your skills, reading skills as well as your vocabulary. They are too based on my personal experience. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos.